Hi, this is a demonstration of the MagCamWizard, which is used to remove and install grip extensions and base plates on the Glock magazine. If you ever used a Glock, you know that it's very difficult to get these accessories off the base of a magazine without the use of some type of tool, generally primitive tools. This is a tool specifically designed to take these accessories off. First thing you do is you take the auxiliary MagCamWizard tool and you push in on the button at the base of the extension or the base plate. What I've done here is I push the inside plate to the side of the magazine so that we can easily move forward and take this off without any obstruction. So then what I do is I put it into the MagCamWizard. I push up on the sides of the MagCamWizard against the magazine and push down on the cams and easily slide off the grip extension. And that is as easy as it gets. Thanks for watching.